Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is a question about some game which is being played, right? So six friends played a game of rolling dice. There were four rounds, and each person rolled a different number in each round, and each round resulted in all six numbers rolled by different persons. Okay, so it means that all these values are unique, right? So Preeti will not roll 6 in any of the rounds, right? And Radha will not roll 2 and so on. All these four values are unique, and also all these six values are unique. So this you can already see, but in this also you will get unique values. So that is meant by this statement. Now some more conditions are given to us, that for each of Preeti, Vivek and Anita, the numbers rolled in the four rounds were in arithmetic progression. The sum of four numbers rolled by Preeti, Vivek and Anita were also in arithmetic progression. So Preeti, Vivek and Anita, right? These numbers are in arithmetic progression, the four numbers that they rolled, and the sum of those numbers is also in arithmetic progression. Okay. The sum of four numbers rolled by Avinash, Radha and Navdeep were also in AP with a common difference of 1, not necessarily in that order. Okay, so Radha, Navdeep and Avinash, the total is in arithmetic progression. Okay. The numbers rolled by Preeti in R2, Vivek in R4 and Anita in R3 were the same, and Vivek rolled a higher number in R3 as compared to what he rolled in R2. Okay. So let us now solve it. So we know that if the four numbers are in arithmetic progression, right? If these numbers are in arithmetic progression, so if you give a gap of 2, let us say you say 6, let you give a gap of 2, so it will be 4, 2 and then 0, which is not possible. So technically, if they say that the four numbers are in arithmetic progression, so that means these are consecutive numbers. लगातार वाले नंबर होने चाहिए, राइट? अगर कहीं पे भी दो का गैप देते हैं, सो लाइक 6 4 2 0 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दिस पर्सन, इफ शी हैज रोल्ड 6, so her numbers will be 6 5 4 3, right? So 3 and 5 are missing in this. Okay, now if you see Vivek rolled 1. Now 1 3 5 7 तो possible नहीं है AP में. Okay, so that means he must have rolled 1 2 3 4, so his missing numbers are 2 3 4. Okay, so what is the total? So let us make a total column. So total column will be 6 4 10 plus 8 18, and Vivek's total will be 10. Okay, now Preeti, Vivek and Anita are in AP. Okay, now Preeti is 18, this is 10, so Anita must have a total of 14, right? Now 14 is there and 4 should be present. Think of numbers that add to 14. So if I take 2 3 4 5, that is 7 plus 7 14. If I take 3 4 5 6, that will be 18, right? So that means the numbers are 2 3 4 and 5. Now 4 is given to us, 2 3 5 are remaining, they have to be filled in this in these blanks. Okay, now let us now proceed to this statement. So we have figured out these numbers. Okay, Vivek, the numbers rolled by Preeti in R2, Vivek in R4, Preeti in R2, Vivek in R4 and Anita in R3 were same. So these three numbers are same, right? Now what is the common number out of these three numbers? We see 3 is common in all of those, which is not filled. So this number will be 3. ठीक है, this is 3, तो ये 5 हो जाएगा, this will be 5. Okay, now 3 is done, 2 and 5 are left and 2 and 4 are left. Okay, now we cannot have 5 here because all numbers are unique, these are also unique, so it will be 2 here and 5 here. Okay, so 2 and 5 also filled, 2 and 4 are left. Now it is given that Vivek rolled a higher number in R3. So R3 will be greater than R2. So this will be 4 and this will be 2. So this is done. Okay. Now we are also given that the sum of the numbers rolled by Avinash, Radha and Navdeep were also in arithmetic progression. Now how do we know these numbers rolled by these three people and they have to be in arithmetic progression also? How do we find those numbers? So what we will do is we can find the grand total of all 6 people, because in every round the total will be 21. Okay, so 14 12 12 plus 9 21. So 21 into 4, the grand total will be 84. Okay, 84 is the grand total. Now 42 is by these 3 people. So Radha plus Navdeep plus Avinash will also be 42. Okay. Now if 3 numbers are in 42, the central number should be 14, right? It should be 14, right? And the sum, the common difference is 1. So the numbers are 13, 14 and 15. Okay. So this is how we find out the totals. Now 13, 14 and 15. Now how do we find that? What are the numbers? Okay. Let us see. Now in each round, one person should score 1, one person should score 6. Okay, 1 or 6 आना चाहिए. 1 and 6 is missing in round 2, 1 and 6 is missing in round 3, 1 and 6 is missing in round 4 also. Okay, because these 3 people did not score 1 and 6. So this means that 1 and 6 should be scored by every one of them. 1 or 6 आना है. Okay, there has to be 1 3 times, right? So 3 different people should score 1, right? And 6 should also come by 3 different people, right? 6 has to come 3 times, right? Every time it should be 6 in one of the person should roll 6. Now these 3 people which we have already filled have not rolled 6. So Avinash should have rolled 1 and 6. Okay, so if Avinash rolls 1 and 6, so we know that the total is 8 plus 7, that is 15. Okay, Avinash ka total ho gaya 15. Correct. Now Radha's total is thus far 2 1 6 9 9 plus one more number which is left, and his total is 12 plus, let us say, some number y. Now what could, so if you look at Navdeep, right? Navdeep has rolled 12. Okay, so sorry, this is 11 plus y. Okay, so I'm just writing the numbers that they will roll, which we have not yet figured out. Okay, so Avinash will roll 1 and 6, because 1 and 6 have to be filled and every one of them will roll 1 and 6. So Navdeep will roll 1 and 6, and Radha will also roll 1 and 6. Now Navdeep, so Avinash total is 15, because 8 plus 7 15. Navdeep is 5 1 6, and one number has to be filled here. Okay, so the total can be either 13 or it can be 14. Okay, 13 or 14 is possible, because 15 is already taken by Avinash. So if I take this 12, right, in order to make it 13, I need 1, that will make 13. If I have 2, it will make 14. So 1 is not possible because the number should not repeat. Okay, so 13 is not possible. So this will be, Navdeep total will be 14. So 14 we have filled, 15 we have filled. So Radha's total will be 13. Okay, so Navdeep will have 2, 1 and 6, and Radha will have 2, 1, 6. So that makes it 9, and 9 plus 4, 13. So 4, 1 and 6 have to be filled. So this is how we find out the numbers to be filled by, I mean the scores of these people, totals. So let us find out in which round can they score these points. Okay, so if you see 2 1 6, right? So 1 6 is not difficult to find out. 2, can we fill it 2? Because 2 cannot come in this R2, 2 cannot come in R4, so 2 will come here. Okay, now 4 1 6, 1 and 6 is difficult to find out, but 4 we know 4 will not come here, 4 will not come here, so 4 will come here. Now the remaining values will be 1 and 6. So if I put 1, then it will be 6 or 6. So alternatively it will be 6 and 1. It will be 1 and 6. Okay, it will be 6 and 1, 1 and 6, 6 and 1. Okay, whichever case you take, so you will get 2 possible solutions. So the first question is, what is the sum of the 4 numbers rolled by Avinash? So Avinash, we know the sum is 15. So the answer is 15. What was the number rolled by Vivek in R3? Vivek in R3 is 4. What was the number rolled by Radha in R2? Radha in R2 is again 4. Which two friends have the same total? So we see that Anita and Navdeep have the same total, 14 each. So this was the solution to this set and the answers to the questions.